QINGDAO Vitalucks Trade Company Limited is one of the leading suppliers of high-quality wooden product in Shandong, China. We are a pioneer in the industry, offering the market greater choice, innovative and ergonomic designs, as well as environmentally friendly wooden product. We started in 2014 with our factory located at Cao Country, covers an area of more than 23,000 square meters. From the very beginning, the group has focused on its core principles of customer service, quality, value for money, and innovation. And these principles that have enabled the group to gain the trust of customers across the nations. Today, the factory has around 140 professional employees, and products are being exported all over the world, especially to Denmark, Germany, Japan, Netherlands, Europe, USA. For over 15 years, we continuously introduce new products to remain at the forefront of the industry. Our main products include wood packing box, wood cutting board, wood frame, and wood craft. We also have an extensive product line, which consists of more customized product. For instance, wooden tray, sushi tools, chopping board, birdhouse, laundry box, and so on. Our commitment is not only to provide our products at the right time, at the right place with zero tolerance, but to provide first-class wooden product to our clients. Our slogan, always new to the market, always the center of the market. We look forward to establish friendly cooperation relationship with you, my dear clients, friends and families.